National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 6:15 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Jackson, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Lakehurst around 5:05 p.m., Lakewood around 5:25 p.m., Pleasant Plains around 5:35 p.m., Leisure Village and Pleasant Plains around 5:40 p.m., Wick Township and Toms River around 5:55 p.m., Point Pleasant Beach and Manasquin around 6:10 p.m. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. When thunder roars, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Monmouth and Ocean,